Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a very exciting unboxing for you, and it is the brand new Boots and Indiyah collaboration that was released yesterday, and it's still available, which is really good because normally when I get these type of boxes, by the time I get around to doing a video, they're sold out, so it annoys the heck out of you, but no, it's still available. It contains 12 beauty products. It has a value of £164.14, and you can purchase it for £55. As always, you'll find links to this box down below in my description, as well as any offers Boots may have, and you'll also see a huge list of discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got running down below as well in my description, so you're welcome to take a look there. But isn't this box gorgeous? It's really, really pretty. I cannot wait to open this up. I literally received it about an hour ago and I haven't had a look yet. I wanted to wait and save my excitement to share with you. But yeah, one of the main reasons I went for this was because the Huda beauty palette. Oh, I can't wait. Give you a sneak peek first. There's no information card in this box, but if you want to find out more information about the products, you'll be able to find everything on the Boots website. We've got a little money off voucher here. You can save 20% off when you have a brow wax and tint at a Boots. So there's that. Okay, first up we got some lashes. These are Indiyah's own lashes, and these are Gimme Silk Effect fibres, and there's glue in there as well. I love the packaging. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, the lashes are really pretty. I wear lashes all the time, but I would chop them off and make them into 3/4. That's my preference, and I do it with most lashes. Although saying that, I'm wearing some £4 lashes from Boots, Boots' own brand, and they're the wispy ones, and oh, I love them. I don't have to trim these, so that is really good. But yeah, those are pretty, but I will be trimming them. We got a sample of my favourite perfume, Libra. I love this. This is my #1 perfume. Right at the top there, it's gorgeous. We've just got a little sample here, but this is by Yves Saint Laurent, and it smells blimmin' gorgeous. Can't tell you unless it says here what it smells of. Orange blossom flower, lavender and white musks. Oh, I love it. So, I should really see where the nozzle is pointing. That went right in my face. Got a sample. Then we got a full-size M.A.C mascara. This is Magic Extension Fibre Mascara. It's the outer packaging. Very, very smart. I think I've got a little mini ready to use. Did I get it in a previous Boots box? Something recently, maybe an advent calendar. I got a feeling anyway. I've sorted out all my skincare after all my advent calendar unboxings and limited editions and things. Now I need to sort out my makeup. Yeah, I forgot to tell you what my thoughts are on this wand. Does it matter? I don't know. You might be interested in what I think. I think it looks a good one. I am really fussy with mascaras. The size false lashes. Oh, my eyelashes are super, super small, short, thin. They're not great at all. But that looks like a nice wand to really get in there, really lift them up. Hopefully, anyway. But yeah. So we've got Magic Extension mascara. I've got a ton of these behind me in my little hairdressing drawer. Hairdressing. I used to be a hairdresser. It's not hairdressing. My hair care type drawer then, where all my lotions and potions are kept for my hair and all my brushes and things. I've been using this for years. And whenever it first came out, I don't know when, but I've been getting it since then. I used to be able to get it in Asda for like £3. I think it's gone up in price to like £4.95 now, but whenever I see it on offer for like £4 or something, I always get it. And I get little mini ones as well for £2 from Boots that I take on holiday with me. I haven't told you what it is. You might be looking at, well, what the hell is it? It's glued. It's a hairspray by Got To Be. Blasting Freeze hairspray for 72-hour extreme look. It's the highest you can get. I like to do my hair, spray it, leave it a while, shake my hands through it. I might spray it again, like, woo! So I'll do that, and then I'll just scrunch. I'm looking in the viewfinder now, so I'll probably mess up my hair. Spraying my hair like that doesn't leave my hair super, super sticky. It doesn't give like a white cast. You know, some hairsprays, if you spray it, you start shaking the hair around, you get like white bits. It doesn't do that. But if I were to spray it and just leave it, it will be solid and it won't budge. I do like movement. It's the perfect hairspray for me. Now I've got to stop going on about it because hairspray is not really that exciting, really, is it? But obviously I've got lots of opinions about it, but it's good. So I'm happy to have another one. Next up, we've got Glass Bomb by Fenty. This is in shade Fenty Glow 1. So we've got a little mini here. These are beautiful. I've got a few in different shades. Yeah. Look. It is gorgeous. I don't wear a lot of lip glosses unless I've got like a matte lipstick underneath, and I just put a little layer on top just so that it doesn't feel so matte, but also gives like a really nice sheen. But it's beautiful because it does have sort of, can you tell there? It's got like gold sheen to it. Yeah, I really like that. Then we've got a teeny tiny Iconic Slender. This is an illuminator in shade Original. Cute little bottle. I've had this before in different beauty boxes. This is nice. Really, really nice. It's buildable as well. I don't like an extreme stripe of highlight on my cheekbones or anywhere on my face, but I highlight every single day, every time I wear makeup, which is nearly every day. But I've put too much on now, as I always do. But this blends out really, really lovely and gives a gorgeous, gorgeous finish. But you can build on it if you want more and more. There, I've just put on too much, but hopefully you can see. It's pretty. We've got another Fenty Beauty. This is a Butter Dropped Whip Oil Body Cream. There's 8 mils there, so it's a little sachet to try. Ah, I see this all the time. I've never received it before in a box. I don't think so anyway. And this is the first time I'm saying it out loud, and I'm bound to get it wrong. Boucleme. Tell me. You're very good at this. You're very good telling me how to pronounce these words. Boucleme. Boucleme. Curls Redefined. Scalp Exfoliating Shampoo. And there's 30 mils here. Something else for your hair. This is Philip Kingsley. And this is an Elasticizer. A deep conditioning treatment. And there's 40 mils there. Then we've got a moisturiser. This is by Nivea. This is Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Power. Firming Day Cream. Reduces and prevents wrinkles. Pure Q10 and keratin. And there's 50 mils here. Oh, and it contains SPF 15 as well. It's sealed. I'm not going to open that up because I have got quite a few different moisturisers on the go, but I have seen quite a lot of people using this. A lot of people on the internet using it and raving about it. So it is a cream I would like to try to see what it's like, because I haven't used Nivea, gosh, for a long, long time. So it'd be interesting to see what it's like on my skin. But if you've tried it, let me know. And then lastly, the one we're probably all excited for is the Huda Beauty palette. This is Rose Quartz. And that is it, Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. If you've got your eye on this anyway, then you can go out and buy this for £50 odd. But then for £55 you can have this and everything else with it as well. Look at it, look at it. Oh, so this would just be really, really nice. Oh my god, to complement it all. Oh my word, it's just so visually pleasing. Look how weird that one is. That is so, so weird. Oh, let's do a few swatches. So Love Stone then, that is the weird one. But when I rub it, can you see there? It's like pinky. That would be absolutely stunning, as well as all the other glitters, I'm sure. Really dark makeup, and then a swipe of this on top would be stunning. Oh, it is really, really pretty. Bearing in mind I've got the highlighter on underneath. How gorgeous is that? That's so pretty. I love that. I'm obsessed, absolutely obsessed with that sort of shade. Like a taupe, mushroom type shade. I do really like it. How dark is the dark? I'm not making any sense. Oh, can you see? No. I'm making a right mess. Yeah, it's a gorgeous palette. Really, really happy with it. Really happy I got it. And the design is beautiful as well. So there you go. Those are all the products inside this brand new Boots and Indiyah collaboration beauty box. It has a value of £164.14 and you can purchase it for £55. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought it? Are you thinking, shall I, shan't I? Or are you thinking, nope, not for me? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.